Hello, in this video, we will see how to use GPT-3. First, open your web browser. Now search here Chat GPT. After that, click on Introducing Chat GPT. Here click on Try Chat GPT. As you may see, Chat GPT has opened on our screen. Now type here how to use GPT-3. Then click on the send icon. To use GPT-3 or Chat GPT, interact with the language model through an API. Here's a step-by-step guide. Now read the instructions. First, obtain API access. Then set up API environment. Then authenticate your requests. After that, create an API request. Then send your request. Process the response accordingly. Then handle rate limits. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.